Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to turn on and off keyboard vibration on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the keyboard. Now from here, just tap on settings. Now from here, just tap on preferences. Now from here, just scroll down and make sure you disable haptic feedback on key press. Now, as you can see, we have disabled the vibration on our Poco phone. Now, if you want to turn it back on, just tap on settings. Now from here, just tap on preferences. Now from here, scroll down and make sure you enable haptic feedback on key press. Now from here, go back. Now, as you can see, this is how you can turn on and off keyboard vibration on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.